Chismosa. I thought I was being clever by just sitting outside the kitchen window, but I was wrong. Chismosa, Mommy chastises me when she catches me eavesdropping on her and her comadres. Then she orders me to go scrub the bathrooms, toilets and all. After her friends leave, Mommy calls me into her room and Poppy's room. You embarrassed me today, she says, sitting on the edge of the bed with her arms folded. I sit down cautiously beside her. Secreto should not be kept from the oldest daughter, I tell her. You may be the eldest, Lupita, but there are some things you are too young to understand, she says firmly, her face still angry, disappointed. I know I shouldn't have been listening, I admit, but I've been worried about you. Mommy, I'm good for more than changing diapers and putting little ones to sleep. I can bear up when things go wrong. You're the one who raised me to be that way. Mommy puts her arm around me. Then she kisses my temple and rocks me back and forth as if I were a baby. But I haven't been her baby in 14 years. It's okay, I whisper against her cheek. I know. My heart aches because I have heard the word that she keeps tucked away behind closed doors. What do you know? Mommy asks. We lock eyes, and she knows I know. Don't tell the others, she begs, and I hold her while she cries it out.